it's slow to acknowledge the nights we are and we go back to where we moved out to the places on the places. I bought it in a can and started with my fingers singing. Threw it out the window. Lately you've been dead, suspicious for the window. Legs like little springs. Legs like little springs. And we're slow to acknowledge the nights in our laces are erased.
Say hi, say hi.
Who that?
Hi.
They're your sister?
Yeah, it's my sister.
But your older sister, huh?
No, she's the older sister.
She's taller than you.
No. You wanna see? Okay, we have to compare. No, we compare. It's okay. Okay, guys, look at where Miss Megan puts her money. Oh my god. Oh, my mommy.
Making love to you was never second best. I saw the world crashing all around your face.
Guys, this is Caleb's favorite.
Not my favorite movie.
Caleb just said just now you missed it, but he said no, especially not.
I don't want to start the movie. What's
Sweeter in the morning when I look at your
Good
face, I
evening, ladies and
love you.
gentlemen. Your captain speaking.
Oh, my
And
little girl,
about
you're the meaning of grace, I
170
love
nautical
you.
miles away from Bali.
And I'm like,
Well, good night.
ooh, take a little piece of my heart. Talking in your sleep, I wonder what you're dreaming up, dear. And if the world don't keep you warm, there's a blanket of stars above here. And I'm like, oh, take another little piece of my heart.
Would you have an island?
That's what it would feel like.
This is where you'll always wanna be. Then leave your take on E. There's a place that we go where you look at the light and the splinters. Where there's plenty of gas to last us through the cold, cold winter. And I'm like, oh,
Aww.
take whatever's left of my heart.
You gotta practice on real people, right?
Try it. You go there and you start talking to them.
Konnichiwa. That's the S.
I will love you tender. I will love you more. I will love you forever more.
Look here. Oh my god. Why is this the most sexy song ever?
Careful, Mama. It's gonna hurt.
Belly flop. Man. Olympic swimmer. Hello Ava, how are you feeling today in the pool?
Good.
Amazing?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Get in.
Whoosh! Just kidding.
Then he loved you like he loved no one. The way she laughed and hold a smoking gun. The way she always said what's done is done. And he's not the only one. Love is a gentle thing. Yours is thicker than a velvet ring.
Me too.
Sharp, sharp blade. Then he knew she was getting paid. When he knew that she was fooling, he faced a mirror to avoid the thing. You're out of money, but so to blame. And I just wanna take you home. I just wanna take you home. Love is a gentle thing. Yours is thicker than a velvet ring. Yours is thicker than a velvet ring. And I can
Justin Bieber. Hi Hannah. How are you feeling on this fine day?
Pretty please, where do I begin? I don't understand it either. Don't think I
She's a smart
can.
one. Oh my god, it's water splashed me. I'm gonna bend down.
Fuzzy
Oh,
brain,
not too much.
call it what you want.
This is Natasha's shell collection.
I felt so distant lately, as if I were not. There's rain outside, steady winter. My heart feels like such a mixture, shapeless. I stare at a picture.
Okay, yeah, I got it. Sing out loud. What do you have to say to yourself in 5 years? identical in 5 years? Yes. Your future self in 5 years. No, scratch that. Scratch that. Reverse. Hannah, what do you have to say to yourself in 5 years? 5 years? Yeah.
Absent of a pen,
Natasha, what do you have to say to yourself in 5 years?
the sun has been
Okay,
setting around.
just say hi, future self.
She's rising again.
She will be there.
Scattered mind, I call it a friend. I wish I thought a bit less, spoke up